Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install DBeaver latest version on Debian operating system. Then we will connect PostgreSQL and MySQL. I have connected to Debian 13, but the installation process is same on all Debian operating systems. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to DBeaver official website, that is dbeaver.io. Then see here, DBeaver community is a free open source database management tool for personal projects. Manage and explore SQL databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family and more. See here we have the two versions, Community and Pro. Community is open source, Pro is commercial version. I am going to download Community, so click on download. See here the latest release is 25.2. For Debian or Linux operating systems, we have to download this Linux Debian package. Click on it to download. See, download started and its size is about 120 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Now go to download, CD, downloads, ls. See here we have the DBeaver. CE means communication. So install it. Sudo dpkg-i. Then DBeaver. Press the tab to autofill enter file name from your keyboard. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to all applications, show applications. See here we have the DBeaver CE. CE means communication. Click on it to open. Now we will connect MySQL and PostgreSQL server. Close this one. I don't want sample databases. If you haven't installed PostgreSQL or MySQL, then search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Debian operating systems. Now click on this plus button or go to database, then select new database connection. Then select MySQL, then click on next. Then select host, then provide local host because PostgreSQL server is installed on local one. But if it is installed on some other and you have the network connection, then provide the server host information. Port number is 3306. Database, you have database bank, then username root. If you have some other user, then provide that username which is there in the MySQL. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on test connection. Click on download for driver files. See, this is the expected error. Click on OK. Then go to driver properties. Then public retrieval key. By default it is false, so change it to true. Then click on finish. Expand the connection. Expand databases. See here we have this database, users and others. Okay. If you want to run queries against this database, right click, then SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now run the query. I have a table customer in this database. Select the query and click on execute. So you got the output. The same way if you want to verify the version of the MySQL that we have connected, then select version. Then click on this execute button. See, I have connected to MySQL server 8.4.7. Okay, this is one tool. The other tool is close this console. Now we will connect the PostgreSQL. Again click on this new database connection, then select PostgreSQL server, then click on next. Then see, this is the database. So all databases, default port is 5432, local host is fine because PostgreSQL server is installed. As I told you, if it is installed on some other one, then provide that information. Username, I have Postgres, then provide the password of this user. If you have some other, then provide that password. Then click on test connection. Click on download driver files. See, connected successfully. The version of the PostgreSQL server is 18.0. Click on OK. Then click on finish. Expand connection, expand databases. See here we have the same database. Right click, then open SQL editor, then open SQL console. This is the way to open. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install DBeaver latest version 25.2 on Debian operating systems. Then we have connected to both MySQL and PostgreSQL server. Okay, for more MySQL or PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.